In this video, we will look at some of the best window cleaning robots on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Robot Lifestyle Electric Window Cleaner. The Robot Lifestyle Electric Window Cleaner is an advanced cleaning gadget designed to make window maintenance effortless. This smart home appliance combines automatic water spray functionality with robust vacuum cleaning capabilities, ensuring your windows are spotless with minimal effort. Automatic spray water function. This feature ensures consistent and thorough cleaning, reducing the need for manual intervention. Smart home appliance. Integrates seamlessly with your smart home setup, providing convenience and efficiency. Robotic vacuum cleaning. Efficiently removes dust and grime from windows, leaving them clear and shiny. The Robot Lifestyle Electric Window Cleaner is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its powerful motor, coupled with an automatic spray system, ensures comprehensive cleaning with minimal noise at just 60 dB. Number 4. PuRuikai Ultra Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The PuRuikai Ultra Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile cleaning device designed for efficient window and floor cleaning. This sleek and modern robot is equipped with a range of features to ensure your home remains spotless with minimal effort. Ultra-thin design allows the vacuum cleaner to reach and clean tight spaces with ease. Multifunctionality, capable of cleaning both windows and floors, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. Remote control offers convenient operation, allowing you to control the cleaning process from a distance. The PuRuikai Ultra Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner is designed to deliver efficient cleaning performance. Its ultra-thin profile allows it to navigate and clean hard-to-reach areas, ensuring no spot is missed. The device is powerful yet consumes less than 800 W, making it energy efficient. Number 3. Purerobo W9S Window Cleaning Robot. The Purerobo W9S Window Cleaning Robot is a state-of-the-art cleaning device designed to make window cleaning effortless and efficient. With its smart app and remote control capabilities, this robot offers a seamless cleaning experience for both residential and commercial spaces. Smart app control and remote access. Easily manage your cleaning tasks from anywhere using the Tuya Smart and Smart Life apps. The remote control option provides additional convenience. Intelligent planning path in multiple modes. The robot's AI memory and 3 distinct cleaning modes ensure comprehensive and efficient window cleaning. Ultrasonic atomization technology. This advanced feature creates a fine mist, 7-8 μm, that effectively removes stubborn dust and stains. UPS battery and safety protection. The built-in UPS battery and safety chip ensure the robot remains in place during power outages, preventing accidental falls. Brushless motor and high suction power. The 2600 PA suction power, combined with a low-noise, long-lasting brushless motor, guarantees a stable and slip-free cleaning experience. The Purerobo WS9S is designed to deliver a deep and thorough clean, tackling even the most stubborn stains with its ultrasonic atomization technology. Its intelligent planning path and multiple cleaning modes ensure that every inch of your windows is covered efficiently. Number 2. ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner. The ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner is a cutting-edge cleaning device designed for efficient and thorough cleaning of windows, walls, and glass surfaces. This advanced robot combines dual water spray functionality, smart memory, high vacuum suction, and laser sensors to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. Dual water spray offers both automatic and manual water spray options for versatile cleaning. Smart memory remembers cleaning paths for improved efficiency and thorough coverage. High vacuum suction. Powerful 3000 PA suction ensures the robot stays securely attached to surfaces. Laser sensor detects edges and obstacles for safe and effective cleaning. Multiple cleaning modes includes 4 types of cleaning modes: N, Z, N+Z, and fixed-pointed cleaning. UPS power failure protection. Built-in UPS system provides 40 minutes of protection in case of power failure. The ABIR WD8 excels in delivering a deep clean on various surfaces thanks to its powerful 3000 PA suction and dual water spray system. The smart memory function ensures that the robot remembers its cleaning paths, optimizing efficiency and reducing cleaning time. Number 1. CHOVERY Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The CHOVERY Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and efficient device designed for window cleaning. This advanced robot combines ease of use with powerful cleaning capabilities, making it an essential tool for maintaining clean and sparkling windows in your home or office. Remote control operation. Easily manage the cleaning process with the included remote control. Emergency power supply system. Ensures the robot stays securely in place during power failures. Multi-certification. Certified with CE, CB, RoHS, and UL, guaranteeing high safety and quality standards. Performance. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.